Hello there. Welcome to Bijak Bastari, where we share fast and easy Excel tips to help you get more done in less time. Let's explore the different ways to total up a range of numbers in Excel. Suppose you have sales data and would like to have a total. The most widely used method is to enter the sum formula in the cell where you want the total. You start by typing in equals, then sum. Press the Tab key and select the range of cells you want to total. Close the bracket and press Enter to complete the formula and display the total. The second method to sum a range of cells is by using the AutoSum icon found in the Home tab. Select the cell where you want the total, then click on the AutoSum icon. Select the range of cells, then press Enter. A quicker way to achieve this would be to select the range of cells, then click on the AutoSum icon. Excel will calculate the total and place it in the cell below the range. For totaling a range of numbers, there is also shortcut keys that you can use. In the cell where you want the total, press the Alt and equal keys. Then press the Enter key to display the total. Here's a question. Can we total multiple columns and rows quickly? In this example, we have sales of various products over 4 weeks. We want to have totals for each week, as well as total of sales for each product. We can total up column by column or row by row, but is there a quicker, more efficient way to get the same result? The answer is yes. Start by selecting the range, including the column and row where you want the totals. Then click on the AutoSum icon. You can also use the Alt and equal shortcut keys for this. Excel will calculate the totals for each row and column. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. Visit our website for more tips that help you work more efficiently. Do remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.